Yeah, no, in the middle. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The other day, my dad threw a box at me and told me to open it on video. It was a late birthday present, I believe, and I don't have any idea what's in this box. So I'm just gonna open it because he told me to film it. This might not end up on YouTube. I don't know what it is. I have a feeling it's like something to do with radio control cars. But honestly, I don't have a clue. He's pretty unpredictable. Oh, what the? I don't know if you can see. Also, this camera doesn't like to kind of stay focused. So I hope I'm in focus, because that'd be shit if I'm not. That's mad. Yo! Oh, shit. I'll show you in a second. I'm just seeing what I've got here. Okay, so in this box, we've got 3 of the initial D Mini Z radio control bodies. This is sick. This is absolutely sick. So this is the Mazda RX-7 Savannah. It's like the older one, I think. This is the RX-7, like the RX-7. And this is the A86 or Torino or whatever it's called, whatever you call it. That's sick. That's awesome, man. This was the like the main car in the film, I think. Like the guy with the Fuji drifts down the mountains and stuff. I'm sorry to any Initial D fans that have come to the video. I haven't watched the film in years. I can't really remember it. I just remember my dad showing me. It was on YouTube or some shit. I can't remember. Here's the FD. I think this might be my favourite RX-7, to be fair. Like over this one, even though this is like, you kind of think of that when you say RX-7. I really like this car, I don't know why. I don't know if that's an unpopular decision. But with a wide body kit, that RX-7 is lovely. I do like the rocket runner kit on that car. But like, the plates and everything, this is sick. Yeah, I guess it's cinematic time, right? Yeah. Enough of me sat there.